Me and my daughter have been doing hair masks and hair oiling a lot lately, and NUTRAHARMONY sent me this hydrating hair mask. Love this thing. We used it the other day for dry, frizzy, and damaged hair. My daughter dyes her hair a lot, so this is one that she really, really needs. This stuff, it smells so good. It says that you apply the product to clean damp hair, take a small amount and rub it between your palms and evenly distribute, which is kind of what we do. We do like to do the intensive hair treatment on her. You leave it on for 7 to 15 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. So we just did it day before yesterday, so we'll probably do it tomorrow night again. And here is what this stuff looks like. It smells so good. So usually I just grab like a dollop and use that and rub it through, and it smells absolutely amazing. If you pair it with their hair serum, it's a great combination. This stuff works really well and it smells so good. I love this stuff.